Hello, today I'll be making anyoya, which is one of the most popular Luo food, majorly for breakfast. So it's basically made of dry maize and beans. So first I soak my maize and I'll be using charcoal. So I'm just going to make fire in the charcoal stove real quick. So while I'm making the fire, I'll just go back and put the beans, put the maize in the saucepan and get ready for cooking. So I recommend that you first soak the maize so that it gets ready. So first, this is just what I've exactly done. So make sure that you add enough water because maize really takes some quite long time to get ready. So add there much water and then put your maize on fire. So while the maize is on fire, I'm just gonna take some time and also salt the beans and soak it. You might have to add charcoal several times here because the maize really takes a long time. Yeah, so this is like evening, so I'm hoping this to be ready by tomorrow morning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start sorting the beans and so you can put the beans to be soaking while the maize is getting ready in water. So just remove any debris that is floating on top of the water that you're soaking it in. So now I don't know, this is like the fifth time I'm adding charcoal, so this is now night, so I'm just gonna add charcoal and then put the maize. I'll just add charcoal and then scoop some of the maize that I'm going to use for anyoya because this is just so much, so I'll just get like 1 cup and then put it in another saucepan which is going to be used for anyoya. So you can see it's already night because I did this in the evening. So I'm just going to add fresh water and then add the beans that have been soaking. So I'm just going to add the beans straight up onto it. So I'll just cover it and go to bed. So I'll just leave it to be cooking here and see you tomorrow morning. Hi, so it's morning. The anyoya is ready. As you can see, it's ready, but I think I didn't put salt. I've just remembered. So have to add salt and then mix it up. So I'm just going to cover it and then let it cook a little while for a few minutes so that the remaining water in it can drain and then also the salt can hold into it. So this time I'm just going to use gas. I'm just going to put it on gas because I'm not going to make charcoal again. So once it boils, and you can just let it boil for a few minutes. So while it is cooking, I'm just gonna be cutting my onions. I don't know for any other Luo people out there. I don't know how you make your nyoya, but this is how we basically make it. So we just cut the onions, and then so my onions are done. I'm going to get a new saucepan and then put some cooking oil. This oil is normally used to mix it. It adds some good spice into it, like it just feels good. So when the oil is ready, just add your onions and let it cook until it is brown, coffee brown whatsoever. So this is my first time doing this cooking thing. Guys, let me know what you think about this. Was it well done or not? So our onions are ready, so we just take it off, and then our nyoya is ready and we can serve it. It just smells amazing already. Oh god. So when I serve it, I'll just do the oil that I fried and just top it up on the nyoya, then get my breakfast ready. And by the way, you could get these insulated oven gloves from Trillion Look store. I'll link it in the description. So let me know what you think about this. This is really delicious, but I feel like it would be more delicious if I'd used like firewood. Yeah, the taste hits different with firewood. That is the fact. So this is how I make nyoya. Do you have any other way of making it? Let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. Let's enjoy the breakfast. So you can actually add avocado if you have. Some people add tomatoes, whatever you like it. You just eat it the way you like it. So I actually forgot there is avocado. So this is Anyoya.